Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We all like to think we know a lot about the world, but many things we believe are completely wrong. Some myths have been around for centuries, and others are modern mistakes that spread online. Today, let's uncover some totally wrong facts that you probably still believe. First, the idea that humans only use 10% of their brain is false. Brain scans show that almost every part of the brain has a function, and even simple tasks use multiple areas. The myth probably started from a misunderstanding of early neuroscience, but it's definitely not true. Second, Napoleon Bonaparte was not extremely short. In fact, he was about 5'6" to 5'7", which was average height for his time. The short story may have come from differences between French and British measurements or political propaganda. Third, Vikings did not wear horned helmets. This popular image comes from 19th century operas and paintings, not history. Archaeologists have found no evidence that Viking warriors ever wore horned helmets in battle. Fourth, we do not swallow 8 spiders a year while sleeping. This widely quoted fact is completely made up. Spiders are unlikely to crawl into a human mouth at night, and there is no scientific evidence for this statistic. Fifth, the Great Wall of China is not visible from space with the naked eye. While it is long, its width is small compared to natural features, and astronauts have confirmed it's almost impossible to see without aid. Sixth, goldfish do not have a 3-second memory. Studies show goldfish can remember things for months and can even be trained to perform tasks. This myth likely started because people underestimated the intelligence of fish. Seventh, humans did not descend from monkeys. Instead, humans and monkeys share a common ancestor millions of years ago. Evolution is about branching, not direct descent from modern monkeys. Eighth, lightning can strike the same place twice. In fact, tall buildings and trees are often struck multiple times, and ignoring this myth could be dangerous. Ninth, bats are not blind. While many bats use echolocation to navigate in the dark, they can see quite well, especially in low light. The phrase blind as a bat is completely inaccurate. Finally, sugar does not make kids hyperactive. Multiple studies show no direct link between sugar consumption and hyperactivity in children. Behavior changes often come from excitement and environment, not sugar itself. The world is full of myths and false facts that sound believable. Questioning what we think we know helps us learn the real truth about history, science, and life. If you enjoyed this mind-blowing facts video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more shocking truths and myth-busting facts.